Welcome. In today's video, we are going to show the newest way to create relationships in Envision, object-to-object relationships. As you can see, the new object-to-object relationship feature in Envision allows you to not only visualize relationships on the screen, but also report on those connections that are stored in the repository through our connections matrices, spider diagrams, printed reports, and other means of analysis not shown in this video here today. To demonstrate this new object-to-object relationship capability, we'll start by turning on the systems layer. In this particular example, systems are represented by green boxes sitting on top of processes or capabilities. In the past, the only way to create a relationship within Envision was to draw a connection between two objects. With the new object-to-object relationship, these systems actually have a relationship stored in the repository to the process that they are sitting on top of. These relationships can be viewed and analyzed similar to that of a connector. Just like with connectors, object-to-object relationships can be viewed through a connections matrix. The connections matrix scans the repository and shows all connections or objects touching other objects throughout the entire repository. Because this is a small example, there aren't a lot of object-to-object relationships in this example, but this is a great way to analyze all of the touch points within your entire organization. And just like connectors, these relationships can also be viewed in a spider diagram. When generating a spider diagram for legal systems, Envision automatically scans the repository, putting legal systems in the center, and all of the processes or capabilities that touch legal systems surrounding it with a connector drawn. This diagram is automatically generated by Envision and is always current and up to date, based on either connectors that have been drawn or object-to-object touchpoints. This particular context diagram is auto-generated by Envision every time the user opens it, so you know that it's always current and up to date. Another useful application of this new object-to-object relationship is in BPMN Diagrams. Now you can query the Envision repository to see which objects fall within a particular lane. For example, if we run a connections matrix on our BPMN, we can see all of the objects, activities, tasks that fall within the customer lane, provide IT services, or any other lanes drawn in our BPMN diagrams. As you can see, the new object-to-object relationship capability within Envision allows you to not only visualize object relationships on the diagram, but also report on them using connections matrices, spider diagrams, printed documentation, and other means of analysis within Envision. For more information on object-to-object relationships, relationships in Envision, or as a SIS administrator how to set up object-to-object relationships, please see the other videos in our video library. Thank you for watching.